Calculation Manager enables you to design, validate, deploy, and manage calculations that implement business logic across your cloud EPM business processes. You can work with these object types in Calculation Manager. Rules are built from components, templates, and other rules. Rule sets are collections of rules that can be calculated simultaneously or sequentially. Components are objects such as scripts, formulas, conditions, member and data ranges, fixed loops, and design time prompts. System and custom templates contain pre-built logic that can be reused in multiple rules. When designing rules, you must be familiar with your database outline and application. You must also understand how your data is stored and aggregated, at what level the data gets loaded into the database, the calculation order, and the key assumptions that drive the calculations. Poorly written business rules can degrade application performance, increase maintenance overhead, and negatively impact user operations. Here's how you can design business rules that are efficient, scalable, and easy to maintain. Let's open a rule and review the point of view. The POV defines the members for which the rule will run, like entity, scenario, or version. As best practice, use runtime prompts or substitution variables for POV dimensions. This allows users to specify member values when launching rules, letting them run the same rule for various combinations without having to create redundant copies of the rule. Calculation Manager includes components and templates for common functions like aggregation, allocation, and currency conversion. You can also create custom templates. You can use templates and components to modularize your rule logic, making it easy to debug and maintain. Do not wrap templates and components in fix and fix blocks. Let the main rule define the dimensional scope. Rules combining various templates should have a proper outer fix and move in and out of smaller pieces as necessary. Avoid missing dimension references in a fix statement. If all sparse dimensions are not specified, add space loops through all members, creating blocks and increasing runtime. Avoid creating unnecessary zeros, as zero values still take up space. Instead, convert zeros to missing to prevent block and data volume explosion. Avoid multiple passes on the same blocks as it slows performance. Instead, use a proper outer fix and move in and out of smaller pieces as necessary. As space processes the left side of an equation first, avoid using cross-dimensional references on the left side of an equation as this impacts performance. Aggregations roll up your application data to higher-level members in the sparse dimension, such as entity. Calc dim should be used only on dimensions that contain many stored members with formulas, such as the account dimension. Calc dim should not be used for aggregating dimensions that do not contain formulas. Set commands in rules control how data is calculated. Avoid placing block creation set commands, such as set create block on equation on, or set create a missing block on, at the top of the rule. Block creation set commands should only be used within a limited fix statement to avoid creation of unnecessary data blocks. Use data copy or sparse member assignment to create blocks. Use set copy missing block off in data copy rules to prevent copying empty blocks within the fix statement. Avoid using set calc task dims. Oracle SBase already optimizes task dimensions automatically. Avoid using parallel calculations in business rules associated with forms. Use calc parallel or fix parallel only in batch or automation scenarios where a single user is executing the rule. Don't run parallel calculations for multi-user rules. Run Calculation Manager diagnostics before deploying any rule. This helps identify warnings and errors, number of passes through the database, block usage statistics, missing dimensions, and any rules that need optimization. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.